So as you can see, I got an error with my parking sensors. I already know which are faulty, so these two probably are faulty, I hope so. And then serial numbers are different for both of them, but I bought this some sort of Hella, and then looking like this, very generic, actually like 35 euros, so not the cheapest ones. Used originals cost cheaper, but had to take some time to deliver. See, nothing, no marks on any side, so but overall pretty much the same deal. And then let's hope that they work. And only the problem is the color so far, but that's like the minor problem for everything what I have went through. So let's plug this in and see if my parking assist start to work again. Now I installed these sensors and let's see if it works or not. Nope, not working. Okay, now I order from the friend's used part in the right color as well. That's nice, with the number, as you can see, ends with 47. And then this was the sensor which I actually like tested out, and with the aftermarket didn't work, so let's see if it works or not. So in case you wonder what sort of sensor do you need, for example, if you have an issue with this, it's for like side of this one, and other sensors as well will work. For example, here is like just written 30R, but I tested out with this one, it's 75R, and this actually worked, so you can fix this problem by as well, not replacing by this one, but as well using other sensors. And for example, if you go on the internet and look for the sensors, and this is like what I was looking for, and I could not find anything on internet, and I actually like bought this one. I tested it, and this as well works. So for Renault Talisman, this works. This worked for me. In my case, it was like the car rear, and it was the left side, the first sensor in the bumper, and maybe as well all of this works. I'm not sure about this, but yeah, these two definitely work for this missing part. Finally fixed my problem with this. As you see, the parking works now, but my blind spot sensor doesn't work. So one option is go to here. This is like a menu, then you go for your car, then you go for assistant, and check if this is on or off, blind spot sensor, and then turn it on, and then it should work. I don't know why it was off. It's not sure about that, but anyway, everything still works here, and I think now my blind assistant as well will work.